Hey there, I'm Chris Ponick, Certified Public Accountant, Certified Coach, and the host of the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast. And I want to welcome you to this new series that I'm doing on this podcast. My intention is to drop one of these additional episodes every Monday while I continue to provide you with the regular Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast episodes, which will continue to help you take control of and understand your business finances with topics that ultimately impact your bottom line. I have many business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals who listen to this podcast, and I want to get more help out there for individuals like you when it comes to mastering your mindset. I'll be taking a few moments each week to touch on topics that many high-stress professionals are dealing with and provide solutions to help you increase your overall well-being. Because I know your time is valuable, just like the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, my goal is to keep these episodes short and straight to the point, but full of useful information to help you succeed in not only your professional life, but your personal life as well. Let's be honest, relationships can feel exhausting sometimes. Whether it's your spouse, your coworker, your boss, a longtime friend, or even that one client who always sends you an urgent email at 10:47 p.m. on a Sunday night, what's really going on in those moments? Why do we find ourselves spinning, analyzing, and trying to figure out how to make a relationship better, only to end up frustrated, resentful, or just totally drained? I get a lot of questions from my clients about relationships, romantic relationships, friendships, business partnerships, colleagues, clients, you name it. And while the faces and the names change, the problems usually don't. They're normally some version of, why do I feel like I care more than they do? How do I stop overthinking everything that they say? Why can't they just show up the way I need them to? Or should I stay in this relationship? Or is it time to go? Are you ready to learn about the 3 key components of every relationship? They may not be what you think. You'll learn how to stop trying to control others in sneaky ways, how to get your power back in a relationship, and what it actually takes to create healthy, peaceful, connected relationships, even if nothing about the other person ever changes. Let's dive in. Did you know that all of your experiences, your stress, your overwhelm, your self-doubt, and yes, even your relationships, are filtered through one powerful source? It's your thinking, and it's especially true when it comes to relationships. Every relationship that you have is made up of 3 parts. They are what you think they think about you, what you think about them, and what you think about yourself. I break this work down even further when I work with my clients in the reinvention process, but I thought I'd briefly review each of these for you today. Let's start with what you think they think about you. This one gets us stuck so fast. It's the spiral that starts when someone doesn't text you back, when you don't get invited to something, or when your boss gives you that look in a meeting. You start wondering things like, did I do something wrong? Are they mad at me? Or do they think I'm not good enough? But the reality is, you'll never truly know what someone else thinks about you. Even if they tell you, they may not be telling the full truth. People can change their minds, they withhold things, they don't always say what they mean. But do you know what's always available to you? What you choose to think about what they think. This is where I walk my clients through an exercise where they list all of the things they think the other person thinks about them. Then I'll ask them, what if none of that is even true? The freedom I normally see that washes over them in that moment is so amazing. It's like they can finally breathe again. So I want to ask you, what if you stopped trying to read minds and you just started managing your own mind? If this topic resonates with you, don't wait. The rest of this episode is waiting for you inside my free private podcast, Mastering Your Mindset Moments. It's created specifically for business owners, accountants, and high-stress professionals just like you. People who are done feeling overwhelmed, burnt out, or stuck in survival mode, and are ready to live a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. When your schedule is packed and the pressure is high, it's easy to lose sight of why you're working so hard. Inside this private podcast, I share quick, powerful mindset and productivity tools that you can apply right away, even during your busiest seasons, to reduce stress, reclaim your time, and enjoy the life that you've worked so hard to achieve. It's free to join, and you'll get instant access when you go to financialadventure.com/private. Don't put this off. This podcast is your shortcut to meaningful results in just a few minutes a week. Your next step towards feeling more in control, less overwhelmed, and finally enjoying a more balanced lifestyle again is only one episode away. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.